Are narcissists aware of their narcissism? Narcissists have little self-awareness about their behavior or how it affects others. If someone is reacting negatively to their manipulation or abuse, the narcissist will perceive this as an attack, while in reality, the person on the other side was simply setting a boundary or expressing their pain. However, the narcissist interprets this as them being betrayed or mistreated. Imagine that someone punches you in the face, and when you express your pain and speak out, the narcissist will blame you for having your face in the way of their fist. It is completely absurd, but that is how they think. To a narcissist, every interaction is a potential battlefield to assert their dominance. So if someone they interact with shows any signs of resistance or reacts, the narcissist will perceive this as a direct attack against them, and they will feel justified to lash out in all kinds of ways.